My buddy Mike and I took his dad out flounder fishing. He went old school with squid, and we went with Gulp. Let's see what the results were.
Squid, Bob.
Oh, man.
Good? Yeah. You want some of the shrimp on the top one? You just want to go shrimp. You want to put it to the good? Well, I want to put out now your fastest.
Take a little breezy.
You're in the water.
Oh, I'm not waiting. Oh, you guys want a written invitation?
That's what I see. Still getting set up over there.
Yeah, I was set up.
Yeah, but at the same time you said it.
Oh, that's keeper. Let's make sure that's 13 inches. I had a fish hit my line, and I lost it. Next thing I know, my buddy Mike reels in a 16-inch weak fish. Fish on. Oh, I got it, little one. I'll hand him. Thank you, bud. Come on, little buddy. Nice little fish, ice cold. Good fish right there. All right, go get bigger.
Got him.
Nah, I'm good. All right, do a little Bill dance. Come on, shake it off. Shake it off. All right. I like doing that with some of the smaller fish. This way you don't have to touch them. You know what I mean?
Flounder too?
That was flounder, yeah. You forget what they look like? Yeah, so that was a flounder. You forget what they look like. Hold on, I'll show you another one. Small.
No?
Yep, that's small. There we go. Yep, she's small. Thank you. Yep. Whoop, see you later. There we go. Gotcha. Thank you. Yeah. What's that? Yeah, I just got to get something like, you know, I got to eat.
Then I got this one.
That we got a net. Ready? I'll bring it right to you, child. Yes, sir. Nice. Good job, child. Woohoo! Still got the skills to pay the bills. Hang on. Wow. Yup, gotcha. Thank you.
Got it?
Yep, I got him. Yup, I got it. Thank you. Nice job. Nice net. This net sucks. I hate this net. Right, that's a good fish right there. Bottom of the tide.
They said Bob didn't have a fish.
Yeah. But look where we're at though. We're in 5 foot of water. Coming out of 4 or 5 foot of water.
You know, we're on the deep side of the bank. You see that?
Yeah. All right, let's see what we got here. Man, he slammed it. Wow. All right, take it easy, Johnny.
Gotta get him in the boat.
Yeah, guess what? He wasn't hooked out that well.
Wow. Take a picture of that.
That's a nice picture of that fish right there. I'm on, it's on. That's a good fish right there. Let me see how big we are. We're in spot lock just so we didn't get away with it. Called it. 21 on the numbers. Yes, sir. That's nice.
Yeah.
All right. Awesome. Now stand by. Thank you. All right, so we got going on here. Wait a minute. Yeah, hang tight. This is where all the tricks come in. Hold on. Yep. Well, guess what? We ain't drifting. We're spot locked. All right. So watch. Now I can do this. Wait. Are you ready? Put that behind the fish. Come back here. Remote for the phone. Inspector Gadget. Oh, goodness gracious. All right, that's awesome. Let's get the live well going, the aerator. Oh wait, let me fill this up. Let's go fish. See all the bait fish just take off? Yeah, it's just, we're gonna measure this one. It's gonna be close. You know what? Negative. I don't net it. It's gonna be all over the place. It's not 18. It's not 18. All right. You gotta, you know, trust the process. I just believe in what I do and I keep doing it. Sometimes to my own detriment, but you know, I just keep trying to do the same.
3 weeks ago they were that size. I think
yeah. No. Come on up here. All right, let me just turn us. Oh boy. Oh, we're swinging. We're swinging. All right.
I hate to give into this.
Good looking flounder. Shorty. Ain't 18 inches, that's for sure. All right, get back in there. Man, and gone. See how fast? Dude, they're bullets. And he's gone. Oh, what do you got there? Yep. Good job, though. Muddy bottom. Oh, boy.
That's why when you get a ride, nice setup, you don't catch them.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, that's.
Then you gotta take them off the hook.
That's the one good thing about using what you're using. You're not catching them small ones, those pesky little flounder. Yep. Yeah. Yep. That's great. All right, let's go. Thank you.
He's a keeper.
I think that'll keep, right? Hang on. Dude, perfect. You're the man. Thank you. Got it.
Close. Count.
What's that? Yeah.
He's close.
Yeah, he's fucking. This thing's thick too. Thick little guy. He's close. I want to be close. Let's see. Yes, sir.
Close.
Keeps.
Keeper. Close.
Yep.
Close.
Yep.
Count.
Yep. Here we go. Good deal. Keep you guys drifting here. Yes, sir.
That's a nice one.
Yes, sir. Holy macaroni. All right. Oh, yeah, it's even better. Thank you. Got him. He's going to be short. He might be a little on the short side. go. Thank you, Charles.
He's good.
You're right, he's good. It's another good one. Oh, he's good. Oh, boy. Oh, that's a captain's limit. I know what I'm eating for dinner. I'm just not sure about you guys.
What is the new size? 18 or 18 and
18. Look at that. Look what he's eating. Yeah, sand eel.
Is that the...
You can't put that on there. You want it? Here you go. You want it? Oh, it's right at you too. Another nice fish. Nice fish. All right, go. Nah, I don't know. I don't think so. Nah, he's not 18.
18. Flounder, though.
Yeah, another flounder. See what I'm saying? You see my theory?
Right, we haven't been catching junk fish either.
Yeah. Wait, just give it time. Give it time once
Watching
again.
guys at sea all the other day fishing.
Yep.
Catching skates in the back bay here.
Oh geez, man, this fish is so thick. Damn, man, this wind is killing us. This fish is so freaking. Look at all the mud on his bottom. He's just laying there, waiting in that mud. All right, go get big, sir. Oh, he's falling down. Oh, that's a nice shot of the shirt there. That's a good looking shirt you got there, buddy. You got stuck? 7.2. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Captain Jerry Lynch on a diamond jig. Oh man. Ooh, all right, hang on. What a great day. So the end result was 12 flounder, 3 kept, plus a 16-inch weak fish, and Gulp won over the squid. Had to take advantage of spot lock and tighten up the transducer bracket. All good. If you like this page, please hit subscribe and hit the like button if you like the video. Thanks. God bless.